Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into United Chase credit card account. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser to begin. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in United Chase credit card login and press enter. On the next page where all of the search results are displayed, click on this first link that says Manage Your Account. United Credit Card-Chase.com. Once you click on that link, you'll be taken to the next page. Here, simply click on the Sign In button from the main homepage at the top right-hand corner in order to end up in the login area. In the login area that appears on the display, type in your username in the first text field. Now head over to the next field and type in your password. Double-check your password by clicking on the little icon in the right corner of the password box. If you want the system to remember you, you can click on this Remember Me box, but if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave the box unchecked. In case you've forgotten your username or your password, you can click on the Forgot Username/Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. Finally, if you're done and you're ready to log into your United Chase credit card account, click on the Sign In button and you'll be done. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.